Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh. Today I have the pleasure of showing you guys this beautiful 2023 Nautique G21. And looking at this beautiful exterior, you'll see it's all Mystic White. It's a really clean look. You have the Mystic White decals up front here. This nice modern windshield design. Up at the tower here, you'll see the Mystic White with the Mojave brown interior. You have the board racks that do swivel out, the tower speakers, and the bimini up there as well to give you lots of shade in the sunshine. You have your gas fill on the port side. It's also on the starboard side as well, same spot. Moving back, taking a look at this transom area. You have a nice big platform with the mocha brown sea deck. You have cup holders on each side of this platform. It's kind of nice if you're just anchored out, sitting back here. You have the transom seats for when you're anchored or not moving. You can sit in those and lounge out. You have a nice easy walkway up into the boat, which is really nice. You have sea deck that's lined through the entire boat, all the way into the cockpit, into the bow. A few features like the transom stereo remote back there to control your audio level if you'd like. Easy to change on the fly the song or the volume to change up and down. Down below, you'll see your NSS, your Nautique surf system, your standard stainless steel Nautique surf pipe, and your NCRS right here is your Nautique configurable running surface, and that fine-tunes the wave of this G21 to surf behind. That is the exterior. Let's go take a peek at the interior. All right, we've made our way into the interior of the Nautique G21. I'll point out this beautiful walkway that is in every Nautique. You're not stepping on any upholstery. It's a really common theme that Nautique likes to promote to the customers, is that, hey, you're not stuck on any upholstery. You have nice spots to board the boat on, which is great, especially if you're going to restaurants. Easy access from the dock onto the boat without stepping on the nice vinyl. So it keeps them fresh and clean for a longer period of time. Now in the back, in the transom here, you'll have these hatches that open up. You have subfloor ballast, no ballast bags in here, which is very nice. You don't need it. This boat creates a phenomenal surf wave. But this can be used for board storage, towel bags, dock lines, life jackets, whatever you like. I mean, it's very expansive. It actually is communicating storage into the two seats here, and both of these seats in the cockpit actually have coolers. Now you can take out one of the coolers if you want to and use one side for more storage than the other, because you do have two coolers, but you have that option, so you can choose. You're in control. In the cockpit area, you have this beautiful seat here that lifts up, folds out, a little bench seat that lines up with this seat. So you can have people sitting across here looking at your surfer, looking at your wakeboarder behind the boat. If you want, you can pull a skier too, but another great way that they've utilized the space in the Nautique. And when you're done, fold it up, let it fall down, and it goes right back into place without me having to push it into place. Super simple. Pointing out a few more features in the cockpit area. You'll see the enhanced courtesy lighting package with the cup holders. You have JL audio speakers throughout this entire boat. With the cup holders and the lighting, you can change that to whatever color you want, whether that's green, blue, pink, so many different options, so you're in control of that as well. Moving to the tower, you're actually gonna have these nice strapless board racks. So they do swivel in and out, real easy. Bring your board in, you can clamp it down if you need to. Just a nice ease of use with this. Locks into place like so. JL tower speakers up top. You have a nice big bimini top. Right now it's folded, but it will fold out, clips into two ball joints on the side of the tower, and you have a lot of shade now when it's super sunny out. So no feature missed in this G21. As we move more towards the cockpit and passenger side, I'll actually point out the helm itself. You have this beautiful captain's chair, the Nautique logo actually in the chair. It looks phenomenal. Little detail I added this year for 2023. Looking at the helm, premium leather wrap steering wheel, 3-spoke design, your link pan array offset to the right side, giving you more visibility as the driver to see through the windshield, which is great. On on the actual armrest, you have your encoded rotary dial with the hotkeys around it. Those hotkeys are what Nautique feels you will use the most. When you're sitting in this captain's chair, you have a nice cutout, which is great because it means you can turn around easy to talk to your people that are in the cockpit area, which is a little feature, but it just works well. It makes sense. Armrest is in a great position, same as the throttle. It all works really good and you feel comfortable as you're sitting in the helm. You do have wireless phone charging down here as well, which is very nice, especially in this day and age when everybody has a cell phone and everybody wants to stay connected. Moving to the passenger side, you have this nice passenger seat, and it actually is heated because there's a passenger heater button inside the recessed glove box that you press to heat this seat, which is cool. You lift it up and you have a lot of storage in there, and you'll notice there's a garbage can. The cover's there at the moment, but the garbage can you can access through the walkthrough, which is nice. That means nobody has to get up to access the garbage can underneath the seat. It's right there in the walkthrough. Just a great design. Close that up. Again, the recessed glove box, lots of space in here. You have a JL Audio head unit, USB charging. You also have auxiliary ports and USB ports for the music to connect if you want to. Completely up to you. Most of the time, everybody that I know connects via Bluetooth to the link pan array, and they can play their music that way. It's a lot easier in my opinion. Close that up. You have wavefront speakers up against the windshield here, which produce sound and bounce off of the windshield back into the cockpit, which is great. Really nice option to have here. And up in the bow of this G21, it is so spacious. It's very wide, it's very deep, so if you have young kids, they're just gonna feel safer. You're gonna feel safer as a parent too if you have young kids up here, because you know more of a deeper hull, they can't just really fall right overboard. You have nice pop-up stainless steel cleats around this entire boat. Pop-up armrests, they do fold back down. And again, 2 cup holders on each side with the lighting package in them. You have 2 speakers, grab handles. It's set up perfectly, absolutely set up perfectly. One more thing I'll point out here before I go is the nice air dam pocket door that slides in and out just like so. So it's super slick. Now you don't have to go underneath the seat, grab the air dam and slide it in. It's built right in. It locks into place like so. Self-stored, it's awesome. You guys, this is the beautiful Nautique G21 located here at the MarineMax Rogers location. If you have any questions, please give us a call or come stop by and we'd be glad to help you out. Have a great rest of your day and thank you.